Good day and welcome to the post-cabinet briefing for August 6th and 10th, 2020. I am Roy Williams. The Team Unity Cabinet of Ministers met on Thursday, August 6th and Monday, August 10th, 2020 at the Ministry of Finance Conference Room under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Dr. the Honorable Timothy Harris. Several issues affecting the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis were deliberated on. The Ministry of Education, alongside the COVID-19 National Task Force, gave presentations to the Cabinet on the guidelines for the reopening of public and private early childhood education centers and primary and secondary schools. The required health and safety protocols for the reopening were discussed, and the necessary qualification prerequisites outlined to certify that education institutions are ready. The implementation of a shift system for primary and secondary schools because of spatial issues with respect to physical and social distancing protocols was also deliberated on. The delegation was represented by Assistant Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Tricia Esdale, and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Mr. William Vincent Hodge, and the Chair of the COVID-19 National Task Force, Mr. Abdias Samuel, and Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Hazel Laws. The parliamentary agenda for the sitting of Parliament on Thursday, August 13th, was discussed with reference to the first, second, and third reading of bills. The new Board for Social Security was discussed and approved. Also, a presentation was made by the Minister responsible for Social Security with respect to the status for payments via the COVID-19 stimulus package. On August 10th, the parliamentary discussion was further enhanced and discussed, taking into consideration the sitting of Parliament for September. Cabinet discussed public infrastructure issues, including but not limited to water testing and distribution, and challenges facing the Keyon community in terms of supply. Cabinet discussed the regulation pertaining to the wearing of face masks in public places. Cabinet approved a number of submissions designed to assist with the development of the country. This has been your post-cabinet briefing for August 6th and 10th, 2020. Thank you for viewing and listening. I am Roy Williams. Take care.